out to Hall Ram for allowing me to review the 2021 Ram 1500.
Today we're reviewing the 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Edition. This particular model wrapped in a granite clear coat. For the length, 241 inches, height 80 inches. You have a wheelbase of 153 inches with a ground clearance of 8 inches. Right here we are looking at a diesel 3.0 liter V6 engine pushing out 260 for the torque, 480 at 1800 RPM for the MPG highway, 32, city, 22. Here's the sound of it. Right here we are looking at a 22-inch aluminum black wheel. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with black leather seats with white stitching. On the left you have your RPMs with your depth fluid. On the right you have your MPH with your gas gauge. In the middle you have an 8-inch colorful display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel where you can go through your vehicle info, off-road, driving assist, fuel economy, and all that other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting. The button in the footwell have your electronic parking with your adjustment foot pedal. On the door panel you have your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control and mirror control. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your shift bezel. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. Next to the shift bezel, you have your 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low. Right here we are looking at a 12-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Uconnect with your 360 backup camera. The buttons right here are your height adjustment alongside your traction control with your front and rear parking assist. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB alongside your aux port with your wireless charging pad alongside your 120 volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the center console. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. The buttons right here are your moonroof and visor control. With your SOS safety connect alongside your roadside assistant, Ram call it the digital rear view mirror. You have your glove box for extra storage space. There's the secret compartment on top of the glove box. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seat with white stitching that ties in very nicely throughout the whole vehicle. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. You have your heated and cool seats alongside your 2 USB outlet and your 120 volt outlet. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. You have speakers on the ceiling. This particular model have air suspension. You have your tailgate drop assist. This particular model is a 5.7 inch standard bed, measuring at 67 inches long by 66 inches wide.
Once again, huge shout out to Hard Ram for allowing me to review the 2021 Ram 1500. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.